Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen, I still think this is likely going to end up making three waves down for a wave 4 before it goes back up and makes a wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I think this first push down is an A. I still think this is three waves up for a wave B, and we do have a break of structure now, so we may have the end of a wave B. We should probably definitely be looking for sorts because we may already be going down for this wave C of wave 4. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think that this looks like an A. I think this looks like a B. And yesterday I was talking about how this move down could be a wave 4, but it almost looks too big to be a wave 4. Well, I think that pretty much is confirmed because this is probably the 5 waves up for C. And now that we do have a break and hold below structure, I think it pretty well confirms that this is the end of a wave B. Pretty much ever since it started making lower highs on these higher time frames, we've been looking for sorts anyways. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for shorts. I definitely wouldn't be looking to go short now. I would only go short on pullback. So if and when it does make a push to the upside, that is when I'll be looking to take another sorting opportunity, hopefully for the continuation of this big wave C of wave 4 downtrend, taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So yeah, there's been some really good sorting opportunities, and like I said, I definitely wouldn't try to go short now, and especially with this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape we have. Kind of seems to me with that 5 waves down and the Fibonacci level we're sitting at, that it probably is pretty likely that this is going to push up. Now for me, more of a swing slash day trader, I would much rather just wait for the 3 waves up to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. But if you are a short time frame trader, once you see impulsive up, corrective down, you can try to go long at the end of the wave B of this A, B, C correction, most likely an ABC correction to the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.